Hey everyone, welcome back to GK Now Official. In this video, we'll be covering the latest current affairs from 1st April week, all the important updates you need to know. So let's get started. Where was India's first vertical railway sea bridge inaugurated recently? The right answer is A. Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the newly built Pamban Bridge, India's first vertical railway sea bridge, in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu on 6 April 2025. It features a 72.5-meter vertical lift span that can rise 17 meters, allowing ships to pass safely and improving rail connectivity. What is the name of India's first dedicated nuclear submarine base set to be commissioned in 2026 under Project Varsha? The right answer is B. INS Varsha. INS Varsha, India's first nuclear submarine base, will be ready in 2026 near Vishakhapatnam. It's part of Project Varsha. Can house 12 nuclear submarines, boosts India's power in the Indian Ocean and counters China's naval aggression. Bastar Pandum festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer B. Chhattisgarh. Bastar Pandum festival is celebrated in Dantewada, Chhattisgarh. Union Home Minister joined the celebrations of Bastar Pandum, a 3-day festival showcasing tribal culture, art, music, food, and traditions. Events included tribal dance, folk songs, crafts, and cuisine. Aim is to bring Bastar's tribal heritage to national and global attention. According to the recent report, what is India's global rank in electricity production from wind and solar energy as of 2024? Correct answer is C. Third. India ranks third in wind and solar power in 2024. According to Ember's Global Electricity Review, India became the third largest producer of electricity from wind and solar, overtaking Germany. India added 24 gigawatts of solar, now third after China and the US. India targets 500 gigawatts non-fossil capacity and 50% clean power by 2030. Which institute has developed an energy-efficient graphene-based technology for all water separation to manage all spills safely? Correct answer is C. IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur develops graphene tech for oil spill cleanup. IIT Kharagpur has created an energy-efficient, graphene-based technology for safe and effective all-water separation. President Draupadi Murmu was awarded City Key of Honor in which European city? Correct answer is B. Lisbon, Portugal. On 7 April 2025, President Draupadi Murmu was awarded the Key of Honor and declared an honorary citizen of Lisbon, Portugal. The award was presented by Mayor Carlos Midas at the historic Câmara Municipal de Lisboa. Tonga Nation, that was recently seen in news due to earthquake, is located in which ocean? Correct answer is C. South Pacific Ocean. A powerful 7.1 earthquake struck near Tonga, triggering a tsunami warning in the South Pacific. Tonga is an island nation of 169 islands, 36 inhabited, located south of Samoa, east of Fiji, in the Pacific Ring of Fire. Where was the WHO's second Global Conference on Air Pollution and Health 2025 organized? Correct answer is A. Cartagena, Colombia. The second WHO Global Conference on Air Pollution and Health brought together global leaders to push for clean air, energy access, and climate action. Co-hosted by WHO, Colombia, UNEP, and WMO, 50+ countries pledged to cut air pollution's health impact by 50% by 2040. Nagarhole National Park is located in which state? Correct answer is C. Karnataka. Located in Kodagu and Mysore, Karnataka, Nagarhole, also called Rajiv Gandhi National Park, is a key part of Project Tiger and a vital wildlife corridor named after the Nagarhole River. What kind of missile system is the 9K-33 OSI-K that was recently seen in news? Correct answer is D. Short-range tactical surface-to-air missile. 9K-33 OSI-K is a Soviet-era mobile surface-to-air missile (SAM) system designed to shoot down low-flying aircraft and helicopters. NATO name: SA-8B Gecko. Short-range tactical air defense engages targets up to 10 kilometers away. Samarth Udyog Bharat 4.0 is an Industry 4.0 initiative of which ministry? Correct answer is B. Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. The government informed Parliament about 4 Samarth centers set up under the Capital Goods Sector Competitiveness Scheme. Promoting Industry 4.0 technologies like AI, IoT, and robotics. Aims to boost efficiency, innovation, and smart manufacturing. Supports MSMEs with training, consultancy, and startup incubation. The Chapta chili, tomato chili, from which state has recently received the geographical indication tag? Correct answer is A. Telangana. Also known as tomato chili for its round shape and bright red color, Warangal Chapta received the geographical indication (GI) tag on 28 March 2025. 18th GI tag product from Telangana. Which state has topped in the Fiscal Health Index (FHI) 2025? Correct answer is D. Odisha. The Fiscal Health Index (FHI) by Niti Aayog ranks 18 major Indian states based on their fiscal strength and sustainability. Top 5 states are Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Jharkhand, Gujarat. The newly discovered damselfly species, Euphia venedensis, was recently found in which state? Correct answer is D. Kerala. A new species, Euphia venedensis, has been discovered in Wayanad, Kerala, marking the 191st ordinate species in the state and 223rd in the Western Ghats. Which country recently released the first ever International AI Safety Report 2025? Correct answer is B. United Kingdom. The Department for Science, Innovation and Technology of the United Kingdom and the Artificial Intelligence Security Institute, AI Security Institute, released the first ever International Artificial Intelligence Safety Report 2025. The Prime Minister of which country recently gifted a copy of the Tipitaka in Pali to the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is B. Thailand. During his visit, the Prime Minister of Thailand gifted a copy of the Tipitaka in Pali to the Indian Prime Minister Modi, a sacred symbol of shared cultural and spiritual heritage. What is the name of the mobile-based application used to track Anganwadi centers across India? Correct answer is D. Poshan Tracker. All Anganwadi centers now on Poshan Tracker. The Ministry of Women and Child Development, MoWCD, announced that all Anganwadi centers across India are now registered on the Poshan Tracker mobile app. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushana? Correct answer is C. Sri Lanka. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the Mitra Vibhushana Medal, Sri Lanka's highest civilian honor, for his role in strengthening India-Sri Lanka ties and shared cultural heritage. Awarded by President Anura Kumara Dissanayake in Colombo. This is PM Modi's 22nd international honor. Which state is the host of 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is B, Bihar. The 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games will be held in 5 cities of Bihar from May 4th to 15th, 2025. Bihar will also host the Khelo India Para Games the same month. Recently, which country has taken over as the new chair of the regional grouping, BIMSTEC? Correct answer is D, Bangladesh. Bangladesh has assumed the chair of BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, for the next 2 years. Handover by Thailand's PM to Muhammad Yunus, Chief Advisor of Bangladesh's interim government. BIMSTEC members are Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.